channel. My sister-in-law just sent me a package, and she wanted me to do an unboxing video, so I'm gonna do it. I haven't opened it yet. I took the paper off just so you wouldn't see addresses and all that stuff, so I'm gonna open it. So I'm gonna turn you around and prop you up and open it. So let's see what we got. Okay. This is kind of amusing. I literally have just carried this box and you guys around my entire apartment. So I really need a tripod. This is crazy. So you can't even see the box. So I'm gonna lift the box up. Even though it's extremely heavy. I still don't know what's in it. This is the box. Okay. That's heavy. Maybe she sent it so I could, you know, lift some weights or something. Alright. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you everything as I open it. Hopefully you can still see me. Whoop. Okay. There's no ad. No. She said there was a note. Oh, note. I'm not going to read it out loud, obviously. Aw. Okay. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Where do I even begin? I'm laughing because this is so cute. Oh my god. Okay. So I got some Fiber One bars. She's like, I know you like these, so enjoy. I don't know what's wrong with these. What's wrong with you? Is it food? It's not for you. Okay, I got dogs going crazy. Is there something in there? I don't. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. So yeah, Fiber One bars. And it's the chocolate chip ones, which I love. Thank you. Okay, I think I see what the situation with the dogs is here. We have Daisy, Orion, Bailey, oh my god, Oreo, oh these are cool, Picnic, chicken, turkey, and cheddar, Chester, Kit, look at this, Mackie's going bonkers, oh, Chi-Chi! Look what Chi-Chi got! Come here, baby. Look what Chi-Chi got. That's for you. What, do you think there's something for you? Oh. Look. That's for Maggie. Darlene, you're crazy. Would you say thank you, Aunt Darlene? I think we're going to do a taste test because otherwise I'm going to be mauled through this whole video. Mmm. What do you... Oh. Oh. She likes that. You want to try one of Chi-Chi's treats? How about you have one of your biscuits? I think we're sharing, Aunt Darlene. Oh boy. We like them. And look! Oh my gosh, they're minis! Look! Minis! Okay, that was adorable, I have to say. Thank you. The puppies say thank you. And the kitties. Okay, and there's more in here, guys. Oh dear. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see. It is Mackie. It's Tim Hortons coffee for Daniel. And McDonald's coffee for Daniel. He's gonna be so happy. I think he's calling me right now. Okay, Dan called, so I had to stop for a second. I told him about the coffee, Darlene, and he's like, thanking you hugely. Am I even in focus? Hi, there we go. Okay, I haven't opened anything else, so let's continue, because I see what else is in here. We've got goldfish, my favorite. Not for you. No, not for Mackie's. You got your treat. More goldfish. This is crazy. It's like Christmas, because our names are on them. Oh, oh my God. Yeah, that's all I got. That's all I got. I don't even know. Oh, it's back there. In her note, she said that under the tissue paper was stuff from Costco, because she knows we want to get a membership and try it. So she sent me some stuff to try. Oh boy, you guys. This is crazy. Sweet beet crack. Something smells really good in here. I think it's these. Sweet beet crackers. I'm kind of anxious to try them because for some reason, like, look at Maggie. They smell really, really good. So, there we go. No. Sweet potato crackers. I'm going to have to hide these from Dan because I don't... I know, I'll share. I'll be... Oh, awesome. Veggie straws. And veggie chips. I have actually really wanted to try these, but I never wanted to pay for like the huge thing. So this is awesome. Oh, I'm excited to try these. I just want to go eat now. Ooh. The Brookside dark chocolate goji and raspberry. There's another one in there. Blueberries. Oh, thank you. I know Sarah really likes these, so that must have been... I don't know if you can see it there. If I get out of the way. Holy cow, you guys. It's just like never ending. Oh boy. Harvest snaps. You know what? This is funny. Because I just tried snap peas and I love them. And I thought, Darlene gets those Harvest Snap things and I bet they're good. Well, now I get to try it. Oh my God, these dogs are going nuts. What are these? Stone fig bars. Blueberry, fig, raspberry. Ooh. Hey, I'm going to exceed my trying new things this month for sure. It was 5. Why only 5? I don't know why 5. I think I'm at 3, and there's going to be a ton in here. So, yeah, those fig bars. Whoop. I don't know if you can see them. And I'm still going. Oh, the Cliff Bars. Iced oatmeal cookie. Chocolate chip. Brown. Oh, dear goodness me. This is good. Oh my goodness. These look really good. These look really, really good. Sorry, I guess I can peruse them later. Brownie. Double chocolate brownie. Crafted with thoughtful ingredients from Nature's Bakery. I believe Andrew likes these. But those look awesome. Dan's gonna see these and, like, go crazy. Ah! 4 Fiber One bars. Oh, these are the lemon ones. Again, something I wanted to try but didn't want to buy. This is crazy. Crazy, guys. Oh, dear goodness me. Whoa. Oh, my God. Guys, I think I'm actually gonna cry. for this, not for these. So these are the, like the pouches, the fruit pouches. And she sent a boatload of them. We got apple and blueberry, apple and strawberry. Oh my goodness. And I, again, wanted to try them. Oh, just an apple snack. Oh, no sugar added. That's awesome. More apple snack. Apple and blueberry. Wow. And guys, I'm not done. I am not done. No, I'm not. What are these? Lightly sweetened rice snack. Crunchy rice rollers. Okay, those are these are the coolest things I've ever seen. Fat-free, low sodium, no cholesterol, gluten-free, and vegan. I love the ingredients. White rice, cane juice, rice sugar, and agar. Wow. Like, is it like a Rice Krispie square? But healthy? She sent 2 bags of them. They look so good. I can't smell. All I can smell is those beet gems. So yeah, she sent me 2 bags of these. And these are from Costco? Wow. Can I open everything right now and eat it? Can I have a free day? Wow. Thank you, Darlene. You are, honest to God, like, the most thoughtful, generous person. You know, she said, I have no words, people. Like, not only did she send me stuff to try, she sent Dan stuff, and she remembered all the fur babies. Like, I have an incredible sister-in-law, I really do. Thank you. I'm crying, like, I'm a mess. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is gonna actually save us a lot. Like, we're knowing that we can try these things, and I can blow my trying 5 new foods out of the water. Thank you. It means the world to me. And the puppies. Mackie, you come say thank you? Come here. Come here. Oh, say thank you, Aunt Darlene. Thank you, Charlie. Say hi, Charlie. And, of course, it's not complete without both of them. Here. Yes, hello. Say thank you. I love my treats. Alright, you guys get. Seriously though, thank you. You know, when I started, we're fighting over our treats. When I started YouTube, I don't really even know what I was hoping for. I don't know what I was hoping to gain. I guess I was just hoping to maybe reach people that were struggling like I am. And I certainly did not think that I would encourage somebody so close to me and my family. Wow. Basically in the note, she thanks me for starting my channel and encouraging her to do it as well. She will be linked below at Peek Inside. She's doing incredible. Yeah. thank you. I'll obviously talk with you. I noticed you sent me a message. So I'm gonna go talk to you, but thank you. Like, I don't know how else to say it, but thank you. It means the world to me. I did not expect this. I had no idea what she was sending me. But it's amazing. Like, it's absolutely incredible. And yeah. So what I'll do is I'll probably lay it out so you can see everything, and then I'll get video of the cats enjoying their treats. So Darlene, thank you. Thank you. I love you that you didn't have to do that. Just wow. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, I just wanted to show you the craziness that occurs when I do this. There's another one. We got one over here. Oreo's over there. Do you want some treats? That's the camera. Can we all say thank you, Aunt Darlene? Say thank you. Yeah, they just want me to give them the treats. I don't know if I can do this one-handed. So I will be right back. So there's 3 of them enjoying it. There's Kit. Bailey, he's not moving yet, but I'll wake him up in a second. Oreo hasn't gotten any yet. Want some treats? Yeah, we know you do. You want some treats, baby? Yeah? Put you up here. There you go. Oreo, they're right in front of you. There you go. Oh, look at this one. Looking for more. And then old time Bailey. Buddy. Bailey. Want some treats? There you go. No. Can you say thank you? This is Kit. Say thank you, Aunt Darlene. Were they yummy? Did you guys like them? Yeah, you're not getting any more right now. No.